Blackfire is the last family of products developed by Valsir for wastewater and rainwater drainage systems. Blackfire was born because of the demand of the markets to have a pipe which could combine high mechanical and acoustic performances, already owned by our other products, with UV and fire-resistant characteristics. Valsir has thus developed an innovative mixture with all these peculiarities. The Blackfire is a three-layer extruded pipe. The internal layer, in direct contact with the discharged fluid, is made of polypropylene, and it has an optimal resistance to the chemical aggression by the dissolved substances contained in wastewater. The highly smooth inner surface avoids solid sedimentation, and it is white-colored for easy video inspections. The intermediate layer is also made of polypropylene but charged with minerals, which give the excellent mechanical and acoustic performances to the product. The Blackfire system has been tested according to the EN 14366 and the DIN 4109, resulting with a noise level of 16 dB measured at a flow rate of 2 liters per second, discharged through a 110 mm diameter pipe. The external layer, all black, is manufactured adding carbon black and other specific additives. This has been done with the purpose of making the piping system UV resistant, therefore allowing the possibility to be sun exposed for long times, either for storage or for external use. Besides all this, the layer protects the inner ones against abrasion and impacts. The peculiar structure of the piping system guarantees optimal mechanic resistance even to extreme applications, such as up to -10°C. The ultimate feature is the presence in all layers of a self-extinguishing additive that improves the performance of the product when subjected to fires. The Blackfire piping system, both pipes and fittings, has been tested by the SKZ Institute according to the German norm DIN 4102 Part 1 about plastic pipes' response to fire aggression, receiving the B1 class, which is the highest grade for plastic piping systems. The highest temperature of waste in Blackfire system is of 80°C for continuous discharge and 95°C for discontinuous ones. The extrusion of pipes is made thanks to a particular extruder that allows the simultaneous co-extrusion of many layers of different materials. At the end of this process, a special machinery cuts the pipes at the required length, and afterwards a thermoforming process creates the fitting shape of push-fit systems and inserts an elastomeric watertight seal. Fittings are produced through injection molding of single-layer polypropylene. As for the pipes, the fittings are admixed with the same additives to better mechanics and acoustic characteristics, with carbon black for UV resistance and with self-extinguishing substances for fire resistance. The range of Blackfire products goes from an outer diameter of 32 mm up to 160 mm. The Blackfire system is a push-fit one. This socket is furnished with an SBR seal, which can be found both in pipes and fittings. The fitting system has many functions. First of all, the ease of installation, allowing the connection of many components in a quick and agile way. Secondly, due to watertight characteristics of the seal, the avoidance of overspills of gas and liquids. Last but not least, it absorbs the thermal dilatation of the pipes. The socket is indeed realized with proper push and fit depths tailored for allowing the pipe to slide in and out. Despite being the youngest among Valsir product ranges, the Blackfire can deploy a wide range of fittings and pipes, which can satisfy users' needs and all sorts of technical configurations. This, combined with ease of installation, its great mechanic and acoustic features and its UV and fire-resistant characteristics, makes this product especially appreciated among the users.